how to fix iCloud and Find My Phone grayed out in settings. You can see there I have my iCloud and Find My Phone, but it's not been grayed out because I don't have this problem. But if you have the problem, there is a very simple fix. Now before moving on to the fix, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like down below, and also check out more of our content. So now let's move on to the video. Now what you want to do is first go to your settings. After you go to your settings, scroll down till you find Mail. In Mail, you'll see an account section. After there, what you'll need to do is add account. Now add your iCloud account. You can either create or log in. Make sure that your iCloud has been already logged into your iPhone 2. After you log in, your problem should be fixed, but if it does not get fixed, just check if your phone has been updated. Now if you go to your general section, click on software update and see if there has been any new updates available. If there is, make sure that you have upgraded to the latest software. And if that still does not fix your problem, what you can do is you can forcefully restart your iPhone, and that should fix your problem. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned.